Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Firebase and Cloud Functions from Glide, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Firebase and Cloud Functions from Glide, start by creating a Firebase project. Go to the Firebase console at firebase.google.com. Click on Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Follow the prompts to set up your project. Once your project is created, navigate to the Authentication tab in the left sidebar. Click on Get Started to enable Firebase authentication. Choose the sign-in methods you want to enable, such as email/password or Google. Make sure to save your changes after enabling the desired methods. Next, go to the Project Settings gear icon in the top left corner. In the General tab, scroll down to the Your Apps section. Click on Web App to register your app. Name your app and click Register App. Firebase will provide you with configuration details for your web app. Copy the configuration object, including API key and auth domain. Open your Glide app in glideapps.com. In Glide, go to your app settings and find the Firebase section. Paste the Firebase configuration details into the appropriate fields. Save your changes to connect your Glide app to Firebase. Now, navigate to the Cloud Functions section of the Firebase console. Click on Functions in the left sidebar. Then click Get Started to set up Cloud Functions if you haven't done so. Install the Firebase CLI on your local machine if you haven't already. Open your terminal and run the command npm install gfirebase tools. Log into Firebase using the command Firebase login. Navigate to your project folder using the terminal. Run the command Firebase init functions to set up Cloud Functions. Follow the prompts to choose the appropriate options for your project. Once setup is complete, open the functions/index.js file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.